Hi guys, I hope you're doing wonderful. Today I'd like to share with you how to do some climb milling. Um, we're using a 4-inch cutter or 1.6 millimeter diameter cutter. So the radius of that cutter is 50.8 inches, uh, millimeters. And so we're going to um, do 3 passes. And the first 2 passes are going to be at um, Z.05 or um, just under 2 thousandths of an inch away from Z0. And then on the final pass, we're going to go to Z0 here and remove any of the, because this is a counter face. So we're going to remove and make it all like it was milled in one shot. Why aren't we milling it all in one shot? Um, this part is very susceptible to chattering, milling chatter. And so doing 3 passes with a 20 millimeter step over uh, on pass one. Pass one is right here. Pass two is 20 millimeters. And then the final step over is 19 millimeters. So um, the rough material is circular at about this point. So we're going to go into the start right here at x0 y 238.97 and um, we're going to move up 30.5 J move um, counterclockwise interpolation to um, N2 position here. So x0 y 299.97. So this distance of this move is 61 millimeters. So the center of the arc is 30.5, and we want to travel at a pretty good speed. This is millimeters per minute. The whole thing is in millimeters. So um, go into the cut at 1600 feet, and then N3, it buzzes around doing pass one, and then we do a linear move N4, a step over of uh, minus 20 millimeters here. And then we do a counterclockwise arc to pass number 2. And so this is negative J. So we're defining the center of the arc here, which is right here. Center of the arc is 299.97. So that's what you'll see. G3, J minus 299.97. And then the X, Y's are you're telling the machine where you want it to go. So notice that we didn't have any X, Y's here because we wanted it to do a complete counterclockwise move back to where it was. But here we're defining where we want the cutter to stop. And then now we do a counterclockwise move again. Everything's all counterclockwise climb milling. So 319.97, it buzzes around, defining the center of the arc. Here is 319.97 and N6. And then N7, it does a linear move, and then it feeds into the final pass here. You're defining the center of the arc again at 319.97, X0. We're going to be going to X0, which is along here, Y minus 338.97. And notice this Z0, it's going to slowly feed to Z0 as it arcs into this final pass. And then it's going to start cutting at J338.97, which is the final pass at Z0. And then we arc out so that it, let's see, the one thing I just have a J50 move here. So it's 338.97, Y minus 238.97, defining the endpoints, X0, Y minus 238.97. So it's at 338, it goes to Y238. The center of the arc is right here. So that's in a nutshell how this is cut. Hope you enjoyed my video. Have a great day.